the first thing you have to do when you add and subtract fractions is find a common denominator. That means you're looking for your least common multiple. And in this case, 3 will go into 12, so 12 is going to be my least common multiple. From 3 to 12, I would have to multiply by 4. What I do to the bottom, I do to the top. So 2 times 4 is 8. 12 times 1 is 12, so 9 times 1 is 9. Now I'm ready to add because I have common denominators. So 9 and 8 is 17. 12. I have an improper fraction because my numerator is larger than my denominator. That means I have to divide. So I take top dog, he's on top, he goes in the box, and I divide by 12. 12 goes into 17 one time. 1 times 12 is 12. 7, take away 2 is 5. My remainder becomes my new numerator, and my divisor becomes my new denominator. So the answer to this question is, this problem is 1 5/12. Over here, 4 and 6, those are not the same, so I have to find a common denominator. And the common denominator that I'm going to use is 12. How do I get from 6 to 12? I got to multiply by 2. So what I do to the bottom, I do to the top. 4 times 3 equals 12. So I have to do the same thing up here. 2 times 3 is 6. Now I can add 6, 7, 8, 8 12s. I'm going to add my whole numbers, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, you'll notice that these are even. So that means it can be simplified or reduced. You always have to show a fraction in reduced form. So I have to find the greatest common factor to reduce those. 2 will go into both of those, and 4 will go into both of those. So I'm going to divide by 4. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So my final answer is 15 2/3. Okay? Now let's do a subtraction. We have to do the same thing with subtracting fractions. I have to find a common denominator. And in this case, 10 is going to be my common denominator. 2 times 5 equals 10. So 1 times 5 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. So 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 take away 5 is what? 1 10th. And then I just subtract. 6 take away 2 is 4. 2 take away 1 is 1. So my final answer is 14 1/10.
When was this one named?